types of sulfur can be classified into three types, which are mineral sulfur, vegetable sulfur, and animal sulfur. Among these, mineral sulfur has the highest purity of sulfur component as 99%. Lbiotech boasts the best technology which converges the world's first patented technology that removes toxicity by fermenting sulfur as sulfur-oxidizing bacteria microorganism and the biotechnology. Lbiotech Sulfur Expert. Sulfur has been known for a long time. It is the 8th highest element among the 14 elements that make up our body, and it was designated as 8 essential minerals for human body by KFDA recently. In particular, we generally use or eat sulfur duck, sulfur pig, sulfur egg, sulfur rice, sulfur hot spring to obtain the efficacy of sulfur. Sulfur is good for anti-cancer and treats various skin diseases. It saves sperm, improves blood circulation, strengthens bones, and controls diabetes. As such, sulfur is a high-quality and high-functional product. It is very effective in organ functions, and it is an essential ingredient for long life. Lbiotech has developed decontaminant sulfur that can produce high-quality and high-functionality product of agriculture, livestock, and fishery, and is continuously researching and developing to produce high-value-added agricultural and livestock products. As a result, the company has 13 patents, including sulfur rice patent, citrus patent, sulfur cabbage patent, patent on increasing sugar contents and storage stability. The company obtained various certificates such as Korean Intellectual Property Office IP Management Certificate, Venture Certificate, Main Biz Certificate, InnoBiz Certificate, Export Enterprise Certificate, and Intellectual Property Star Enterprise Certificate, and is developing and producing about 14 products. Sulfur decontamination process and its efficacy of Lbiotech. Lbiotech directly imports sulfur from Gunung Bromo, Indonesia, and uses effective microorganism fermentation technology to remove toxicity. Decontaminated sulfur powder has been used feed for sulfur duck and chicken and sulfur pig and cow by developing it as an additive for livestock functional feed. Sulfur, recommended to feed Korean native cattle by UN. Sulfur, repository of antimicrobial activity that strengthens immunity and promotes immune activity of livestock diseases. It is recognized as the best science technology in terms of the world's technology value and utilization value. Technology of Lbiotech's decontaminated sulfur. The company possesses about 700 kinds of microorganism strain that are separated and identified. It also has related deposit of strains, 20 domestic patents, and 4 overseas patents. The company produces mass culture in salt water by using high-salt microorganisms and developed and commercialized sulfur-oxidizing bacteria that removes toxicity by fermenting sulfur. The company owns techniques that produces microorganism that is special and solve everything, such as oil-degrading microorganism and styrofoam decomposing microorganism. It is a company that grows into a global company by utilizing microorganisms, which are mysterious living things that move the world. As a agricultural use only, natural sulfur water that contains a lot of mineral is a liquid sulfur that expellent active volcano solid sulfur by super lactobacillus. It is official product, an eco-friendly product using eco-friendly organic materials that are harmless to human and animals. In particular, it is an official product of Material Organic List for pest management through plant-side spraying and perfusion with the success of liquefaction through decontaminated sulfur, adding taste to fruit trees and improving coloration, sugar content, and storage stability. Sulfur L is a material for soil improvement and crop growth that contains sulfur, phyllite, and rice bran. It is an official product with organic materials that can solve mineral lack and nutrient depletion problems in soil caused by repeated cultivation by using specialized crop cultivation. It is also a nature-friendly, slow-releasing pellet fertilizer. As a livestock use only, Lbio decontaminated sulfur is a feed additive that helps produce special high-value livestock products such as sulfur duck, sulfur pig, sulfur chicken, egg. It is an essential additive for the Gold Egg brand that changes animal oil to unsaturated fatty acid and increased egg cysteine. It is also a feed additive that helps to grow special livestock products with excellent removal of meat's own odor. For a fishery use only, Natural sulfur water for fisheries is a eco-friendly liquid sulfur. It is a product for management of fish aquatic bacteria in egg, which can remove aquatic bacteria effectively during selecting and transporting fishes and is excellent for fungal diseases. In particular, it is a sulfur water environment-related product possessing patent on removal green algae. Sulfur controls nitrogen. Therefore, it has excellent function to remove green algae of rivers and lakes. It will be a basis to purify polluted environment by preventing green algae with this purification ability. A company that thinks eco-friendly environment, Lbiotech that is responsible for the future of primary industry. In the future, environmental regulations will become more strict. As a result, spending on this will be increased. Lbiotech presents solutions for this. If you use eco-friendly organic materials, decontaminated sulfur powder, the prices are lowered and management is easier. It is an alternative of pest management in PLS agriculture era. This relieves stress and increases sales. Lbiotech will lead the future industry by making all the safe food as eco-friendly organic